Hey everybody, this is Amit. I've got a new unboxing for you today from lightech.com, and of course I'll put the link in the description and everything. It's been a while since I bought one of their cubes, not sure actually why, and I was pretty sure it's supposed to be in a different package, so let's have a look. Okay, cube twist and stuff like that. Put it out of the way. Okay, need something to twist it. Okay, one thing that I don't like that the package is all squeezed and ruined, because I pretty much like it. And I kept them, so that's one negative thing about Lightech. So I guess it didn't do anything to the cube itself because it's pretty packed. So we'll put it inside. There was nothing else right inside the package. And of course you can already see what it is. Well, this is pretty big. Okay. Okay, there was some stuff that happened because it was squishing the packaging itself, but here it is, the OSKAR and Cube Twist Gear Cube 5x5. And just let me have a second. Just in comparison, this is the Gear 3x3. I guess this is some kind of Chinese knockoff. And first of all, before I start turning it, a few things that I can notice: it's the stickers themselves are pretty bad. I mean, all of the inside stickers are pretty chipped up, like, not, let me get closer. You can see like here and here. Here this one is pretty bad. And actually, if you can see good, you can see the pieces actually lying inside. Also on the green, there wasn't a purple something that you can see, it's pretty scratch. The yellow is pretty much flawless. The OSKAR sticker, it's the most important. And you can see as far as size comparison, it's pretty big cube. And this one is also pretty loose. Maybe I'll try to figure out how to tension it. Let's do a first turn. Okay. Okay, my cat is actually yelling at me, so we'll figure out in a second. Try to figure out, because the turning ratio, I mean, here you can see if I will do one single turn, the middle is actually going 180, and all the side pieces are turning. It's supposed to be here, so it's 1, 2 teeth. If I'll do this for one whole turn, the middle in between will do 180, and the side pieces are actually doing nothing. So maybe it will help to do it a lot easier, but I guess if we do like, let's do 180, 360 like this, you can see it cuts off this part. Here it's actually fine, but this is a different purple center. this is the right purple center. So let's put it back together. You know what? Let's try like 1 and 2. 1, 2 and okay, why is it? Something did like a bad noise, but not know why. And okay, so you can actually do a checker pattern in here because it is, you can see this is the, it's like if I will take the 5x5. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, only the middle one, 3, 4, 5. So I will not try to solve it right now, but it does seem like it will be quite interesting. Now, as far as turning goes, it's not bad. Okay, this is the thing that actually click. It's supposed to be this, yeah. I guess you have to do the alignment just right because all the... There you go. See, there's something wrong with one piece. It's the same one, I think. This one is flawless, and this one had issues before. Maybe just loop something? I don't know. I guess this one needs to be checked. Let's try it again, just for a second. Okay, now it seems to be fine. I guess you need to be very, very gentle. You can see, wow, there's a lot of sticker pieces left. Ah, sorry. This piece is out of alignment for somehow. I have no idea even how it is possible, actually. There we go. It's fine now. I will try to solve it sometime. There are still a bunch of cubes that I haven't gone to lately because I have a lot of my mind. But if I'm already doing a video, let me tell you this opportunity. There is a competition in Israel in the end of September that I'm going to attend to, and there will be videos from that competition. I will be competing in pretty much everything we are doing over there. I will do the 2, 3, 4, 5 pyramids and 3 with one hand. There will also be a blind solve, but I have no idea how to do blind solves yet. So this is pretty much it. So this cube I already told you is from Lightech. It cost me $17.50 US. It's now 50 cents less. No, $1.50 actually. Yeah, on sale for a few days, I think. It is a great cube for the collection. I will probably play with that as soon as I will have some time to do it, actually. School and the competition and all the other stuff I have on my mind. And that's it. So stay tuned, there will be videos on the competition. I will hope I have time to upload it right after the competition. I do have some other things on my mind. And that's it, everybody. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.